Hello our friends, let me introduce you our brand new press bending machine model E310. So first of all, before we start using our machine, we can turn on our oil pumps. Once it's ready, we can start. It's very easy to use. So we start from the single step mode. We go to choose our material. Let's say it's steel, and the thickness, let's say it's 1 millimeter. And then our mold, it's first mold. And then we go to angle. Let's say our angle is 100. We press the enter, and then it does the calculation for you. So it's very easy. No need to do the math. And then our X target, let's say it's 80. Press enter and it's ready to start. We press the start. Once everything is red here, we can press on our foot switch. And as you see, everything works perfectly. Once it's done, it goes up. So this is our single step mode. And let me show you our multi-step mode. It's also very easy to use. First of all, let's change our material and let's select one, and the mold is number 1. And then the angle, let's say it's 90. As you see, the math is done already, and our X target is 100. We enter everything, and then we can add a second step. We add it here, and we change the angle. Let's say our second bend is 120. So we put this, and we can change everything here. So after we select the second mode, we need to go back to the first mode. And now it's ready to use. We press the start button. Let's wait for everything is red, and then we just press on the foot pedal. And it goes up. And as you see, now we can go to our second step. Once you settle down everything, you can come back to the foot switch and just press it. So now our second step is also completed. That's all, guys. As you see, it's very easy to use. Goodbye.